Attention, detectives. A mystery has happened in SKKJ. The spirit of English has disappeared. Hidden clues have been left behind. Only the smartest detectives can solve this case. Search carefully, think wisely, and follow the clues. The investigation begins. Now,
Hey, I found some clues here.
Look! There are secret letters on the floor.
The clue says, English is the key to solve the mystery.
But wait, there's one final secret.
This confidential file must be opened by our special guest.
I encourage all people to take part in the activities prepared and use this opportunity to improve your English in a fun and enjoyable way. It is now my honor to officially declare English Week 2026 open.
Our English month will only be started from today, 15 June until the 30th of June, with the theme of Detective Mystery, to unlock the mystery of English. These activities are designed to help you improve your speaking, your listening, reading, writing, creativity, and confidence in English. Search for clues. Discover English. Be a detective.
They needed them to see the path home, but the wind was too strong. One by one, the lanterns went out.